Side with me.
Oh, you can start doing it if you want. Go on, do it. I dare you, Grace.
Am I hitting you?
Yeah.
I need room.
Oh, you can't hit her.
Nicola, come off and sit next to Grace.
You need to go back.
Oh, no. I'm good. I got my chair.
No, you need an upright one.
I'm flying first class.
I know, just make this a bit in the middle. I'm not going this way.
It's not going to be as funny.
Move your foot.
Ow!
Where's the sheep gone?
Where's the fan?
Fan's over there. It didn't do anything last time. It's not powerful enough.
Can't drink, I'm afraid, but it's alcoholic. You might
Yeah, watch
crash.
out, Grace. You could get landed on.
No, would you like some drink?
But it's a drink.
Megan, you need them on that little chopping board as a tray.
What are you doing coming back this far?
This is fine, thank
What chopping board?
One right in front of you.
No one can see me through.
Right in
there, right in front of you, on the cooker top.
Oh, this one.
I think I should try actually.
Use that as a tray.
This is my tray.
You're recording.
You're flying. Don't record it yet, we're not ready yet.
You're too close, I can't get down the aisle.
I know, but then I'm behind my daddy thing.
You need to be behind a little bit.
What have you got there?
Air brakes.
It's not, we're not cooking.
What's air brakes?
Who's doing an announcement?
Are you ready?
Okay.
I laugh.
Have you still been recording?
Oh, no,
at the
Megan's
start?
got to tell us where the exits are.
Ready to go, old chum? There we go! It's been a long time, you know. Come on! Come on!
Pulls! Life jackets, you can demonstrate it.
Yes.
Oh, how do I do this?
Oh shit. In-flight demonstration.
Okay. This is a life jacket.
No, you need to be behind the pilot.
You still
Do
recording?
I? No, I don't. I just stand on the bonnet thing.
Bonnet,
bonnet.
flying!
Car!
It will be under your seat if you need it. If there is an emergency, you put it up there, and then
Where's the whistle?
jump.
No, you've got to do it
You got to do it. Oh wait. give me
Where's the
this
light?
little pin.
Where's the light?
You get one of these two.
Do it up.
I don't want to. I look really not cool. Right.
need my tally scarf. You should have bit of string out the back holding it up right.
John, you should start it again for the proper thing.
Start it again.